But today I wanted to share with you my my 1999 Lombard Powerbook. It's a G3 Powerbook, and it has a 333 megahertz processor and it has a 512 megabytes of RAM and a 4 gigabyte hard drive, and it's still working really good. I could show you. It's running Mac OS 9.2. You can see some of the information there, and I've got quite a bit of software loaded up in here. Airport. I have a PC card that I could plug in that lets it get on Wi-Fi, but it kind of really struggles, so I don't use that very often. But I've got Microsoft Word and PowerPoint in here, and Excel and iTunes and Paint. Quite a few applications in there. And games, I put a lot of games on here. Let's see, the 3D Pinball, Diablo, Doom 1 and 2, some board games, chess, flight simulator. So, but what I picked up at the thrift store for $2, I got this copy of MacPlay LaserLine, and it's got Frankenstein in here, and Dungeon Master, Descent, Kyrandia, Ishido, and Caesar's Palace. But I went ahead and I started off with Descent, so I've installed that on this computer. Just wanted to start that up. I haven't used it very much. Just did it about an hour ago. But we'll start that up. I already put my name in there. We'll start a new game here. And then I'll go with Rookie. So this one has, you go left and right with your aircraft here, up and down. Then for shooting, you have the space bar. I was using the left and right here. Then over here, I think you get A goes forward and Z goes backwards. You can see that, A and Z. And you could use a joystick on here too, but I've got missiles and lasers. I haven't been very successful so far. I've got someone shooting at me here. So I obviously need to practice at this. Anyway, that's Descent, so I'll play some more of that. But really gonna enjoy going through this MacPlay, trying some of the other games in there, and just wanted to share that.